Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into something that's often overlooked but super important, skincare for men. Yes, you heard that right. Skincare isn't just for women, it's for everyone. Trust me, glowing skin isn't just for the ladies. Men deserve to have radiant, healthy skin too. This homemade face pack will have you looking fresh and vibrant in no time. First things first, why should you care about your skin? Well, let me tell you, taking care of your skin can boost your confidence. And who doesn't want to feel good about themselves? Plus, healthy skin is a sign of overall good health. Plus, it's actually pretty easy once you get the hang of it. You don't need a complicated routine or expensive products. All right, let's jump into the recipe. It's simple, quick, and uses ingredients you probably already have at home. You'll need just a few simple ingredients: 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and half a banana. These ingredients are not only easy to find, but also packed with skin-loving nutrients. That's it. These ingredients are all natural and super beneficial for your skin. No harsh chemicals, just pure goodness. First, mash up the banana in a bowl until it's nice and smooth. Bananas are great for your skin because they are packed with vitamins A, B, and E. Bananas are packed with vitamins and minerals that help to moisturize and rejuvenate your skin. Next, add the yogurt. Yogurt is not just a delicious snack, it's also a fantastic skincare ingredient. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and cleanses your skin. It helps to remove dead skin cells and leaves your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Finally, mix in the honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin, leaving it hydrated and glowing. Honey is also known for its antibacterial properties, which can help to prevent acne and keep your skin clear. Mix everything together until you get a smooth paste. Make sure there are no lumps and the mixture is well combined. Now here's the fun part, applying the face pack. This is where you get to pamper yourself a bit. Make sure your face is clean and dry before you start. This helps the mask to adhere better and work more effectively. Use your fingers or a brush to spread an even layer of the mixture over your face, avoiding the eye area. Be gentle and take your time. Relax for about 15-20 minutes while the mask does its magic. This is your time to unwind and let the ingredients work their wonders. Feeling a bit silly with a banana on your face? Don't worry, it's totally worth it. Plus, it's a great way to have a little fun while taking care of your skin. Don't worry, it's totally worth it. You'll be amazed at how good your skin feels afterward. Take this time to chill out, maybe catch up on your favorite show or just sit back and relax. It's important to take a break and enjoy some me time. After 15 and 20 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Make sure to be gentle to avoid irritating your skin. You'll instantly notice your skin feels softer and looks more radiant. It's like a mini spa treatment at home. For best results, use this face pack once or twice a week. Consistency is key to maintaining healthy, glowing skin. And there you have it, guys. A simple, effective, and affordable way to keep your skin looking its best. No need for expensive products or complicated routines. A simple, effective, and affordable way to keep your skin looking its best. Remember, skincare isn't just for women. Everyone deserves to look and feel their best. Remember, skincare isn't just for women. Everyone deserves to look and feel their best. So, give this face pack a try and see the difference for yourself. Give this face pack a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your feedback and any other skincare tips you might have. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on new content. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay awesome. Take care of your skin.